AIBI Robot. Let's go open the box. Okay, it's already open. Look at the package. What do we first do? Oh, let's go first get out this, then this, and put this, that. Oh, this is the starlight, and it connects to this. If you say, AIBI, turn out our light, it's going to turn on. Let's go open it and see how it looks. I don't know how to open it. Oh, cool. I think it charges. Yep, it charges. And it's a button to turn it on. We're not going to turn it on. End of the video, we're going to turn it on. But look at the star. Oh, it's a little dirty. We're going to put it in the... What is this paper? We're going to find out. That's just nothing. Let's go put this over here. Now let's the next. I think we're going to go with the green. Oh, it's for girls. And look, it has the pinkish. And look, those ears. I think that's a bunny. I'm going to open it. Oh, don't rip it. Don't rip it. I always rip packages. But not today. Oh, so cool. And we're going to try this and this cloth at the end of the video. This is the legs. We're going to put this right over here with the star. And this is the bunny. Okay, we're going to put that with the star. Now the last box we have to open. Then we're going to open AIBI Robot. How do we open this? Okay. I know how to open it. Oh, this is so soft. Look at this. We're outside, so I don't want it to get dirty. So I need some paper. I will be right back. I got some paper. Now we're going to put everything back. Oh, I thought we were going to put it here. Okay, I have to return the paper. This is for no reason. I'm done. I returned the paper. Now we're going to put each stuff in the box. Right. I think this goes over here. Oh, this is the star. Dumb again. This is the star. I'm going to put it here. And this cloth, the soft cloth. We're going to put it here. It doesn't break. I forgot how. Well, I had to show it to you. Oh. Now we have to close this and test it at the end of the video. Okay, now to the star. Okay. Oh, I forgot. It was right here. Okay, it doesn't. That doesn't. I think there's a bird nest up there. I think. Now we're going to stack it. Don't fall. And show at the end of the video. So to you guys, it says AIBI and AIBI And let's go stacky. No, this was here. No, yeah, this was here, and this was here. And we're opening the grand prize. So you have to pull this, I think. Actually, nah. I want to. And look. And now we're going to do this because I tried to doing this and it's not working. So the only way we have to rip this, not rip the box, rip the paper. Okay. Now the other thing. No, here, no. Yes, this one. Now I think we can. I'm so excited, but I think it's going to break. So I'm going to do it careful. Okay, that wasn't careful. Now what will we do? Oh, what is this? Bro, is this a phone? Is this supposed to be the robot? Or it's the phone? Hi. Pizza delivery. I will get a pepperoni pizza and some cheese pizzas. Thanks. Okay. Now, oh, this is the robot. Bruh, I don't know even how to get it. Oh, dang. This feels good. Now get the charge. First we have to charge the star. So we're going to get out of the star because this star is still. If it doesn't, it's going to run out of battery and never restart again. I forgot how to open this. I think I am tired to opening all of these packages and quit. Okay, I'm not quitting this video. No, I ripped it. What? Open it. Let's go. Now we're going to charge it. Look at the robot. AIBI, and I think this is the hands, and this is the charger. I'm going to put AIBI right here so you can see it, guys. And this is the charger. And we're going to put the star because there's 4 dots, orange dots. Now we're going to put it like here. And look, it's charging. I didn't know there was that. Now this, it's not charging. This is not charging. We have to do this first. This first. I'm done. I forgot. We have to connect this. Then we have to do this little that thingy, the box, charging box, and then we have to connect the Wi-Fi, I think. And now I think I will just plug this in and just. Okay, now I can test these out. I think this is the end of the video because we have to charge this. And we have to do this to charge because there's 4 dots here. And put it here. And straight. AIBI straight. Okay. There you go. Now we're right back. And after OMG, look. This is my metal bracelet and this stick on it. Look. And now this, I didn't talk about this, and I forgot to do this, bro. This is the important part of the robot. And now it's okay. Now, and this, we forgot to talk about it. I think after end of the video. No, you have to put it here, and AIBI Robot is going to connect it on it, and it's going to be here forever, I think. No, where is it? Oh, yeah. And it's going to connect it like this because this is magnetic. Look, I'll show you a magic trick. Put this inside of our shirt and like that. And we have to get this out. Out, then you have to do this. It's going to connect. Look, I got AIBI Robot. Now what do we get? I figured we have to put this back in this. Sad, and not really sad. I didn't read this. Place AIBI on this side. I place AIBI on this side. That's the wrong side. No, is this the right side? Yep. We're going to put it here. And then do it. And then this. And this is going to connect. And the last thingy is fell. And that's sad. Because he has a boo-boo on this side. And there's blood, I think. No, robots have blood. Okay. No talking about that. We'll have AIBI Robot. We'll be right back. I forgot this needs charging. We're going to put this on charge. Okay, here. Okay, now we're going to put this on charge. We'll be right back. They gave us free stickers. Free stickers, I can't believe this. I'm going to put this on here. Okay, not really, but we put this on the robot. Where is the robot? Oh, okay. We're going to put one on the robot right now. I'm going to pick. We have to charge one thing, and the other thing has to charge end of the video. Yeah. Start or this. Let's go to eeny meeny miny Okay. Let's go to eeny meeny miny mo. Eating. No, let's go do that again. Yep. This can charge first. Let's go do this. No, how do this go to charge? Huh? Okay, first we have to. Oh, this thing, because this has the same thing as the star, and that charges. Like this. We're not going to charge this. I'm just showing you, guys. No. Okay, now where's the lights? Last time it was lights. Okay, now lights. Okay, lights. There was lights. I never lie. There was lights, and you go to charge end of the video. I think this works. And we're going to charge this first at the video. Okay, not first. I'm going to show it to you guys for a course. It's on, and it's a little animation. It's updating, and it is verifying, I think. Okay. And I got these stickers. Okay, and those are not stickers. And look at what I made. AIBI will show you a dance. will show you. He will show you a dance. Ivy. Look at, we already did the app. Let's go. And we have Ivy, my little friend. Ivy and me will see you in the next video. Subscribe, comment, like. I think you have more to do. And my little Ivy.